Do you ever wonder if your pet gets jealous of your RV? Well, now they can have their very own. Hi, I'm Sarah from RecPro, and this is Sweet Pea, and this is our RV doghouse trailer. Its product code is RV-DH-B. This is just a super cute little trailer that your pet will love chilling in. It's made out of well-sealed metal, so it keeps the sun out and will keep them cool on hot days. And it also has this really nice, smooth interior flooring, which is perfect if your dog tends to have accidents because it makes it really easy to clean up. It's got 2 bowls on the outside of it for your pet's food and water, which are removable, so then it's really easy to clean them. It also has a little tow hitch on the front of it, but keep in mind that it's not really meant for serious towing, so you're not going to want to pull it behind your RV or car. It also has this little metal hook on the side, which is perfect for attaching your dog's leash to, so then they can stay close to you. This is overall just perfect to bring around on the road, just to give your dog their own little area. So why not match your pet on the road? You can make them the top dog of the campground by clicking the link down below. If you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and remember, when you're rolling on the road, roll with RecPro.